Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hello, my name is Danial Hafiz bin Halmy. My metric number is S70225. And today I want to present about the individual assignment that given. And I choose pomfret fish. So this is the pomfret fish external anatomy, where it shows all the outside of external for the pomfret fish. As you guys can see here, pomfret fish have pectoral fin, dorsal fin, caudal fin, anal fin, operculum, mouth, and eyes. Next, I will talk about the pomfret fish head region. First thing first is the eyes. Pomfret fish typically possess rather wide eyes which aid them in navigating and detecting prey in environments with little illumination. Next is mouth. Pomfret fish have a terminal mouth, meaning it is located at the front of the head, and the mouth is often relatively small, and the pomfrets may have small teeth. Next is the pomfret fish body region. It is located within the area of the body lah. First, I will talk about the dorsal fin. It is located on the back of the fish. The dorsal fin aids in maintaining stability by limiting lateral rotation or tilting when swimming. For the pelvic fin, the pair fins located on the ventral side. The pelvic fin also contribute to the fish stability, particularly during slow motions or when hovering. Lastly is the anal fin. It is positioned on the ventral side behind the anus. The anal fin control of the fish. It helps regulate the fish pitch and preventing it from diving or tilting its tail. Lastly, I will talk about the pomfret fish tail region, which is a caudal fin. Also, we call it tail. For the propulsion, fish are able to move forward through the water with the existence of their caudal fin, which is the primary source of propulsion. The caudal fin also helps in managing the speed of the fish as well as the direction it is moving. For the efficiency, the shape of the caudal fins varies among fish species, reflecting their swimming habits and ecological adaptations. Next, I will talk about the fish taxonomy and the correct scientific name. First is their domain, Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Teleoste, order Carangiforms, family Carangidae, genus Trachinotus, and for the last one is the species Trachinotus blocki. For the species, it depends on the fishes. Since pomfrets got a lot of varieties. So for the fish taxonomy right here, I will choose called the prophet fish for the example lah. For the importance and statistic, for the pomfret fish, it has a high economic value and has been reported to play an important role in commercial fishing in its native areas. Given its great economic worth, it is critical to acquire scientific understanding of its biology and culture in order to sustain its fishery in the long run. For the statistic uh, over here is the global capture production for species, especially for the black pomfret fish. I will take about for the last 10 years, which is I will start 2010 until 2020. For the 2010, for the global capture production for pomfret fish is about 81,672, and for the last 10 years, the highest global capture production for pomfret fish, which is black pomfret fish, is 2018, which is 146,344.78. Next, I will talk about the fish biology and behavior for the pomfret fish. Pomfrets are perciform fish of the Bramidae family. The family now consists of 20 species divided into 7 taxa. Several species, including Brahma in South Asia, are major food sources for humans. The pomfret was once known as the pamphlet, a term derived from the Portuguese pampo, which referred to a variety of fish including the blue butterfish. The flesh of the fish is white and is delicious to eat by humans. Next, I will talk about the fish behavior. Pomfret fish are known for their social behavior and often gather in large groups, providing them with safety in numbers and facilitating efficient foraging. This social behavior not only helps them find food but also aids in their reproductive cycle as they engage in synchronized spawning. Other than that, pomfret fish are carnivorous and primarily feed on small fish, crustacean, and squid. Next is fish breeding technology. Fish breeding technology for pomfret fish involves various steps such as breeding stock, breeding environment, and fry management. For the breeding stock, we have to select a high quality and disease-free pomfret fish for breeding to ensure the health and quality of the offspring. We have to choose a reputable supplier or fish farm that specialize in pomfret fish. These suppliers are more likely to provide high quality and disease-free fish. Healthy pomfret fish should have a vibrant color, clear eyes, and a strong body structure. Avoid fish with signs of disease such as discoloration, swelling, or visible parasites. Next is breeding environment. We have to create a suitable environment for breeding, such as a breeder boxes, net breeders or ponds that provide enough space and protection for the fish. The environment should have the right water parameters, such as temperature, pH, and dissolved oxygen, to support the breeding process. Other than that, is the fry management. We have to manage the fry by providing appropriate food, maintaining water quality, and monitoring their growth. We have to provide appropriate feed for the fish, such as powdered fry food or live brine ship. The feeding schedule should be adjusted according to the age and size of the fish fry. Other than that, regularly monitor water quality parameters such as temperature, dissolved oxygen, pH, alkalinity, and ammonia to ensure the health and growth of the fish fry. Maintaining optimal water quality is essential for the success of fish farming operations. Next is fish production technology. Fish production technology for perfect fish involves various aspects such as breeding, water quality management, and marketing. These provide information on different technologies and methods used in fish farming, such as recirculation methods, intelligent fish farms, and ecological breeding methods. These methods aim to improve the efficiency, productivity, and sustainability of fish farming operation. First, we have to prepare the water, condition the water for fish culture by monitoring its quality and maintaining the appropriate parameters for the fish health. By maintaining these parameters within the optimal range for the specific species being cultured, fish farmers can support the growth and survival of the fish, minimize stress and disease, and ultimately maximize the productivity and quality of their fish stocks. Good water quality is essential for the success of fish farming, and effective water quality management is a critical factor in ensuring the well-being of the rare species. Next is source the fish fry by obtain healthy and size-appropriate fish fry from a reputable hatchery. Look for the reputable fish hatcheries that offer a variety of fish species suitable for your needs. Consider mail order suppliers that can overnight the fish fry to your location for minimum stress and maximum freshness. Additionally, ensuring a proper feeding regimen, such as hatching live baby brine shrimp and providing size appropriate food, is crucial for the healthy growth of the fish fry. Next is feed and maintain the fish. Maintain the appropriate fish with a balanced diet and a regular maintenance, such as frequent cleaning of the tanks or ponds. monitoring water quality, and providing the appropriate feed and supplements. Perfect fish have carnivorous feeding habits and typically feed on small fish, plankton, squid, shrimp, and other cephalopods and crustaceans. A compound feed for perfect fish can be prepared using raw materials such as steamed fish meal, shrimp chaff powder, squid organ meal, soybean meal, peanut meal, and high gluten flour. It is recommended to provide a good quality feed that contains 25 to 27 protein, such as baby brine shrimp. For the fingerling stocking, stock the pond with fingerlings to ensure the successful growth of the fish. The pond or tank should be prepared to provide a clean and stable water environment for the fish. This may involve adding lime to adjust the pH level, um, adding organic matter to the soil, and ensuring proper aeration and water circulation. After that, regularly check the growth of the fish and adjust the feeding schedule or environment as needed to ensure healthy development. Next is harvesting. Harvest the profit fish on regular basis as they develop to the proper size. Harvesting profit fish typically involves capturing the mature fish for commercial or personal use. The fish are usually harvested when they reach a desirable size, often around 2 kilograms per fish. The harvesting process can include capturing the fish from ponds, tanks, or natural water bodies and then preparing them for sale or consumption. Lastly, for the marketing, we have to sell the harvested pomfret fish to customers, such as retailers or restaurant, and promote the benefits of pomfret fish as a healthy and nutritious food option. Promote the pomfret fish to restaurant through advertising, social media marketing, and participating in local food markets and events. Highlight the nutritional benefits and unique taste of pomfret fish to attract more potential customers and increase sales. Next is the issues related in fish farming. Number one is disease outbreaks. Diseases are common in fish farming, and pomfret fish farming is no exception. Diseases such as viruses, fungi, and bacteria can develop in fish farms and spread to natural fish population. It has the potential to spread quickly across farm fish populations. Next issues are the water quality management, where the water quality control is critical for fish farming success. Poor water quality can inhibit growth and significantly affect fish health with concerns such as low dissolved oxygen, high ammonia levels, or temperature variations, stressing pomfrets and negatively impacting their growth. Next, I will talk about a suggestion uh, on how to prevent any issues or solve any issues and problem in fish farming lah. So first is proper feeding. The frequency of feeding is determined by the kind of fish being farmed, the temperature of the water, and the size of the fish. Aside from that, there are numerous techniques for feeding fish in aquaculture, such as hand feeding, automated feeders, and demand feeders. The method employed is determined by the size of the fish, the type of feed utilized, and the size of the pond. Other than that, is we have to control the water quality because it is critical to maintain proper water quality in aquaculture to avoid fish illness or disease. We must do regular water testing to detect any problems before they become severe. For example, we have to check pH, dissolved oxygen, ammonia, nitrate, and nitrite because the levels should all be measured in water. These are the references that I collected to find any information to make this slide. Um, Thank you for listening. I hope you guys enjoy. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.